If you've ever wondered whether your best channel is actually winning you new customers, or just getting credit for people who'd have bought anyway, this dashboard answers that. It's called Attribution New Customer, and you'll find it under Signal, then Marketing Attribution, and Attribution New Customer. Where the main Attribution Analytics dashboard blends every customer together, this one strips out repeat purchases entirely. This dashboard shows you only first-time buyers. That makes it the right place to set your customer acquisition cost targets and to see which channels are actually growing your customer base instead of just reselling to people you already have. At the top, 8 cards give you the summary: revenue, orders, and average order value for new customers only, total ad spend and customers acquired, cost per acquisition, your cost per new customer order, return on ad spend, new customer revenue divided by ad spend, and acquisition marketing efficiency ratio, your new customer revenue divided by your total ad spend. These numbers tell a story together, not alone. If revenue and orders are climbing while cost per acquisition stays flat, you're scaling acquisition well. If revenue is up but customers are flat, your average order value is rising, not your volume, which can quietly mask slowing growth. And if acquisition marketing efficiency ratio starts declining, even while return on ad spend looks fine, that's an early warning. Your total ad investment is getting less efficient at bringing in new customers, often before it shows up anywhere else. Then there's the Moat table, scoped to new customers only. Same structure as the main attribution dashboard: media source, campaign, and ads. But here's why this view matters on its own. A channel can look highly efficient in blended attribution while barely acquiring anyone new. And the opposite happens too. A channel can look weak blended in, but it's actually a strong acquisition engine that's getting buried by repeat purchase revenue from everywhere else. So here's how to use it. Set your target customer acquisition cost first. Then compare it against each channel's cost per acquisition in this view. Sort by return on ad spend to find your best acquisition channel, and check whether it's trending up or starting to saturate. Switch to campaign to catch high-spend campaigns that aren't actually bringing in new customers at all. And switch to ads to see which specific creative is doing the acquiring, since cost per acquisition can vary a lot between ads in the same campaign. The single most useful thing you can do with this dashboard is open it side by side with Attribution, returning customer. Compare the same channel across both. A channel with high revenue share in returning but almost none in new is a retention channel, not a growth one. A channel that's almost entirely new customer is your acquisition engine, and it's the one to protect when budget gets tight. Below the Moat table, you'll find 2 trend charts. The first plots return on ad spend, cost per acquisition, marketing efficiency ratio, and average order value over time, so you can spot exactly when something changed. The second plots ad spend against new customer revenue and new customer count, so you can see whether the gap between what you're spending and what new customers are generating is widening or narrowing. That's attribution, new customer. It's where you find out if your growth is real or just revenue moving around inside customers you already have.